Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, these are the items that I'm using to accomplish this style. We bought this glaze closure from the hair store, and yeah, this is another finger wave style, but it's going to be full lace in the front, so you guys stick around. And I'm also using the Rain deep wave here, which is a very good hair that I think you guys should use for anything curly that you want. It curls so pretty. But right now I'm just gonna I'm gonna color this hair because it's brown. And yeah, I'll be back, guys. So now I'm just prepping my model. I want you guys to pay close attention because I put on a transparent cap, but I'm also, after I color this hair with the beiging, I am going to add another cap over the nude cap for the back. And you guys are going to see how I accomplished that. I'm not going to show you how I did it, but you're going to see what it looks like. And it's a good technique. So if you want to learn, remember I have membership, or you can leave me a comment in the comment section, and I think I'll be able to handle it for you, okay? So now I'm just adding the beiging. Remember to spray down the lace so you don't get the color through the lace. And after we wash this out, we're going to start our style and let her dry under the dryer until I'm ready for her. Now, guys, check out this technique. I think you guys will like it. Remember to leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It. What I do on my channel is a lot of stuff to do with beauty. I love cutting hair, unboxing, tutorials, how-tos, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and we'll love on you over here. Like, it's not even that serious. You would really get some good hacks off of my channel. So guys, pay attention right here, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Now, the reason why the tissue paper is there is for extra protection so the glue doesn't saturate through her hair. So that's why that's there. And this is another cap that I added on top. I didn't know that they were making transparent caps also in the color black. So guys, this is a game changer. Like, the cap is not thick to where I can't add two and the client is uncomfortable. So right where I'm cutting right here, you guys see where the lace will go, and you guys see where I will stop the tracks from the glue. So guys, just stick around, leave a like on the video, make sure you're subscribed. So handlers, I'm sure you guys have seen me do finger waves, ocean waves in a lot of videos. But if you're new here and you want to see how to start out your waves, I have plenty of videos on my channel that you can go back, search through my channel, look through the videos, and I have plenty of how to do finger waves on my channel. So guys, fear not. Alicia Handles It is here to handle-ish for you. So fear not. You can go back and find how to do a finger wave from top to bottom, from start to finish. Okay? Beginner friendly, all of that stuff. So hit that subscribe button. And I wanted to add that someone had made a comment that, the model will be under the dryer for like 3 hours. That is not true. She said she was joking, but I am sensitive about my ish. So basically, if you use raw Lotta Body while you're doing waves, any type of waves, finger waves, ocean waves, the flat waves, if you use raw Lotta Body with your gel or with your mousse, it will dry really quick. Do you think I want someone under my dryer for 2-3 hours running up my electric bill? No. So I'm going to use the techniques that I know that will dry the hair the quickest. So guys, join membership so you can get all these hacks. So like I said, guys, there's plenty of videos on my channel where you can go back and, find something on finger waves. I have plenty of videos on finger waves on my channel, so fear not. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.